In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Google your homepage in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say your Chrome homepage is like Yahoo or just anything random and you want to switch it to Google because that's what you prefer. All you want to do is go over to Google Chrome, then on the top right, press the three little dots right there, and then go over to settings. Now, once you're in settings, you're going to see a lot of different things. But what you are going to see is also on startup. Go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to show you can open up a new tab page, open a specific page or set of pages, or continue where you left off. What we're going to do is open a specific page. So we're going to press add new page right here. And then all you want to do is type in google.com, or specifically like this. Just obviously make sure it's a proper URL. Go ahead and press add, and then it's going to use that specific page. And then that's literally it. Now, what you could also do is make sure the default browser is Chrome and make sure the default search engine is Google as well, because if it's anything else, that might also be a big interference. So make sure it's on Google and then make sure you press set as default. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.